absence of rainfall, irrigation maintains the maximum amount of moisture required for crop production. What is irrigation? As we know, water is essential for the germination and growth of crop plants. Water is supplied to agricultural fields either naturally through rainfall or artificially through canals or other systems. The artificial supply of water to agricultural fields is called irrigation. The artificial supply of water to agricultural fields is called irrigation. Various methods of irrigation has been used since humans took to agriculture. The traditional methods of irrigation has been now replaced with the modern system of irrigation like sprinkler system and drip system. Today we are going to learn about chain pump system and Dagley system of irrigation, which comes under the traditional method. In a chain pump system, two large chain is connected to each other. One wheel is near the source and the other is near the sink. One end of the chain dips into the pool of water. The chain carries the bucket. As the wheel turns with the shaft and the handle, the buckets dip into the pool and draw water. The chain then lifts them to the upper wheel where the water from the buckets is transferred to the channel. Okay, from the buckets is transferred to the channel. The chain then carries the empty buckets back down to be refilled and the process continues. In a chain pump system, two large wheels are connected by a chain. One wheel is near the source and the other is near the sink. One end of the chain dips into the pool of water. The chain carries the bucket. As the wheel turn with the shaft and the handle, the buckets dip into the pool and then draw water. The chain lifts the bucket to the upper wheel while they are dipped and dumped into an upper pool. The chain then lifts them to the upper. Dagley system of irrigation. In Dagley system of irrigation, water is drawn from a water source with the help of a log of wood placed on a fork-shaped tree for support. The log is tied to a large stone which acts as a lever. A bucket is tied to the other end of the log. During irrigation, the rope tied to the bucket is pulled down so that the bucket goes into the water source and fills up with water. The bucket is again drawn up by pulling up the rope. The water is then collected manually and poured to the channels. This practice results in wastage of water and the distribution of water is also highly uneven.